Hi, you were talking about cash, and like we were actually talking about this retest because, so if you look at this, this is S&P 500 on the right, and here's the DXY or the dollar on the left, and this was something that we had shared a while ago that it would top out and then price would pull back and drop to our indicator strength band, and that's exactly
what's happened. Yeah, look at that.
And I drew this out. If you like look back at our earlier videos, you can see this.
It's like 3 weeks ago now, or so. Yeah,
it played out exactly, and this is
again right to the scenario. Mark, right to the target. There, we dropped right to the bottom of that little point. Which again, even if you're not marking these technical points on your own chart, the Trading Buddy strength band is acting as that point for you. So you can see we did pull right back, and we're trying to look for a bounce here in the DXY on the strength band.
It looks like, and if you look at this, we've talked about this before, that the equities move kind of in the opposite direction or in inverse of the dollar. And you can see last week the dollar dropped and equities did a retest pump. Exactly the opposite. And that's, I think, also another reason why I just think like equities just did a retest pump, but not necessarily, but we're still, bear. See, this is still on bear. It didn't change the bull. So now if the DXY, if it like, you can see this is the last run up. And if it, for it to, if you were trading forex, then this would be really easy and helpful.
Yeah. So if you're trading forex, you would basically go long the US dollar against another foreign exchange currency.
Right. And so for the dollar to continue bullish, we would have to bounce here, which looks like it's starting to do. And then we continue making new highs. If it's bearish, what's going to happen is it's going to drop here, right? Yeah. And then we're going to lose the band. Once we lose the band and do a retest and then we get rejected on the band and continue down, like that's like considered bearish.
Yeah, for the DXY and bullish for securities and equities. So
right. But right now it looks like the dollar is like looking like it might bounce, which means that equities are probably going to go down.
Yeah.
And
I would say that's probably the scenario I am expecting to see play out with the dollar, just because. Let's do that. Oh yeah, I was just going to say, just because of how great cash is right now as far as generating yield and returns for people. So it makes sense to me that people are, money is flooding into dollars out of equity assets or security assets, just because of the guaranteed return and the Federal Reserve signaling that those returns are going to stick around for a little while.